Hello good people, back again with us, Viamax.com. In this video, we will show you how to upgrade a free Debrid-link account become a premium Debrid-link account. If you don't have a Debrid-link account yet, please create one first. And if you need the tutorial for making a free account, please check link in the description. If you already have a free account, just upgrade it. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open the Debrid-link.fr site. Click the login menu. It will show you the login page. Then type your login data to each form. Type your username. Type Debrid-link password, then click the login button. If you want to save your login data in Google Chrome, click Save button when the question pop up. After you arrive in member page, click Premium menu. Scroll down, find the voucher form. When you find it, put your cursor on it. Now, go to your email. Search for the email sent by Viamax.com. Then open it. Find the premium voucher code. After the key found, copy it. Now, return to the Debrid-link tab. Right-click the cursor on voucher form. Then select Paste. After the premium voucher code appear, click the Redeem Voucher button. Then a notification will appear, informing that your account has been updated. Now check your profile. Click Profile icon, select My Account menu. And your profile page will shown, and you can see all information about your account, including your premium account period status. Congratulations! Your account has been premium, and you can have all premium features. That's all from us. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe, like, and turn on the bell button. See you in the next video. If you need Debrid-link premium key, just visit www.viamax.com. Thank you.